Hey traders, welcome back to Trade Empire. Today in this video, we will learn 3 best ways to use moving average and how you can use different moving averages to identify the trends, the reversals, and the pullbacks. Let's start after a short intro. The first question is, what is a moving average? A moving average is a technical indicator that calculates the average close price of an asset over a particular period of time. Here on the chart, the 50-period moving average is applied, and it will calculate the average close price of the last 50 candles. One of the best advantages of using moving average is that it helps us to create a clear picture of market trend. 20, 50, 100, and 200 are some common moving averages used by most professional traders. There are 3 uses of moving average. It can help us to identify the trend, to identify a trend change, and to identify the support and resistance. Starting from identifying the trend, the moving average of 50 is applied to the chart, and identifying the trend using moving average is very simple. Remember, if the price is moving above the moving average line, then the trend of market will be considered as uptrend, and we will look for a long entry whenever price taps the moving average. On the other hand, if price is moving below the moving average, then we are in a downtrend, and we will only look for short opportunities. And in sideways trend, the price is not moving in one side. Price is changing its direction and crossing the moving average again and again. And we don't have a clear picture here. So in this scenario, I will recommend you to stay away from market and wait for a clear picture. But if you still want to trade, you can switch to lower time frame to identify the short-term trend, and you can trade there. The second use of moving average is to identify the trend shift in the market. It is very simple and easy. First, you just have to apply the moving average of 20 and 50. And to identify a trend shift, we will wait for the moving average of 50 to cross the 20 moving average to the downside. And if it does, we will consider it as a trend shift in the market. Here's an example. The price is currently below the moving averages, so we are in a downtrend. To identify a trend shift, we will wait for the 50 moving average to cross 20 moving average to the downside. And here's a crossover of 50 moving average. According to moving average rules, the trend has been shifted to the upside. Let's see what happens. And look, after the crossover of 50 moving average to the downside, we can identify a clear trend reversal in the market. So now we are in an uptrend, and we will look for buy opportunities. And if the price is in an uptrend, and the moving average of 50 crosses the 20 moving average to the upside, then the market trend will be shift into downside trend. The third and last step is to identify the support and resistance level using moving average. It is a simple formula to identify support and resistance. Support and resistance are the areas where buyers and sellers are active, and price can reverse from those areas multiple times. And you can place your trades at support and resistance levels and gain profits. The moving average can act as a support and resistance. In an uptrend, the price stays above the moving average, and whenever price taps on moving average line, the price finds support there. And we can expect that price will bounce back from here, so we will look for buying opportunities here. In a downtrend, price moves below the moving average, and whenever price taps on moving average line, it finds resistance, and we can expect that price will bounce back from there, so we can look for some short opportunities near the moving average line. Remember, never execute any trade only by using moving average. It helps us to find the trends, support, and resistance levels, but you should use some candlestick patterns and simple price action with moving average to execute. If you have enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe the channel for more trading strategies.